How's it going, bros? Crazy Mike again. Today we're going to be reviewing the M4 RIS, uh, which is just for the RIS is just the rails. I guess that's what it means. But the M4ris or RIS and the CYMA AK47. That is my favorite, so I'll leave that for last. The best for last. Alright. As you can see down range, I have no. I have 4 targets set up. There's 3 cans sitting on top of the foam target. Alright. I have enough space if I get over here. Alright, yeah, that's good. Alright, first I'm going to go semi-automatic. Wait, is it not shooting again? Can't even see the BBs coming out. Hold on. I don't think it's coming out. Ooh. Oh, butterfly. I think my gun is broken because it's not shooting. Pointing at the ground, it's not shooting. Okay, that works. Let me just get one little baby out of here. And shot the whole magazine out. Hold on. Let me just grab one of these. I wonder if the thing is just broken. Hold on. Probably should have tested it out before I came out here. Let me just put this here. Hopefully this will work. It didn't shoot. Apparently this is broken. And I'm not gonna get a new one. This thing sucks. Made of plastic. It breaks really easily. This is ranked maybe a 2. It's powerful when you actually get it to shoot. I remember once in an airsoft war, it wasn't working right, so I had to turn it upside down to actually shoot BBs. Because gravity made the BBs fall down. I guess that's out. Let's see. Now moving on to the M4ris. Really, really good gun. This is my first airsoft gun that I've ever had, and it still works really, really well. I don't know if you can see it, but I actually put a thing in the muzzle so that it's actually where you screw in a silencer, but I took it off of my P90 and I put it into here. Now I can put a silencer on it, but it just makes it look funny. So, alright, let's see if this works. Oh, it shot 2 BBs. Oh, it's spring loaded too. I'm trying to hit that can. Ooh, that was way off. Bugs all around me. This thing's pretty accurate too when you get to using it. Oh, there's mosquitoes. Ooh, a whole pile of things. It's good for hitting people in the head too. Ah, I hit a can. Whoa. Got a feeling it's about to run out of ammo soon. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be soon. Ooh, I think I might have hit the cap. And it's pretty daggone powerful. Let me just... Oh, it's already... What I'm going to do is take the buttstock out. How much more accurate it is. Oh, I'm out. Yeah. That's it for the M4ris. This is the first gun I've ever got. I already said that. This thing is really reliable. Even though it came from Walmart, it's still a really good airsoft gun. I would rate this about an 8. If it was fully automatic, this would be like a 9.5. But since it's spring and I just gotta keep going like that, it just takes a little too long to get a kill. Somebody's gonna already shoot you in the head. But it has a retractable buttstock, you know, to where it slides for how long your arm is. You can take it out if you want to. Oh, that wasn't good. That camera. But it has, like, take the buttstock out, so like for CQB, you know, twist it all around and stuff. It has a, I would say it was 30 rounds, but I think it's more like 28 rounds. For the, like, you know, before you have to just pull this thing back and start doing that so the BBs come out. I would tell you the whole feet per second thing, but I kind of forgot that. Yeah, that's my gun review. 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. This is an 8, 2 or 3. Sucks. It sucks really bad. It doesn't even shoot. Whoa. Of course, now it shoots. Oh, they're falling from the sky now. Well, now it shoots. I brought the score up to 4. Yeah. Woo! Alright. I gotta go. See you later, bro. Oh, wasp. Bye.